Today, I'm going to reveal 10 powerful AI tools that helped me pay for a McLaren 720S, and more importantly, tools that can help you start making over $1,000 a day with ChatGPT and other free AI resources, even if you're a complete beginner with zero technical skills. If you're ready to dive into a step-by-step guide on earning money online, this is for you. Everything I'll show you today is practically copy and paste. No need to be an expert, have a high-end computer, or even spend a dime to get started. Make sure to check the description below for links to special deals, and all the free resources we'll cover in today's video. Let's get into it. All right, let's dive into tool number 1, firstaitool.com/go. This is the powerhouse I personally use to build all my funnels and automate my email follow-ups. You can access it at firstaitool.com/go for easy sign-up and exclusive bonuses. So let's talk about how firstaitool.com/go works. It's designed to help you quickly set up high-converting sales funnels and automate your follow-up emails in just a few steps. Setting up your funnel. Inside the tool, you'll find customizable funnel templates that you can easily drag and drop to match your brand and offering. Start by choosing a template that fits your goal, whether it's capturing leads, selling a product, or promoting a service. From there, you can add landing pages, thank you pages, and checkout pages in just a few clicks. It's all fully customizable, so you can add your own branding and personalize it to fit your business. Creating simple email automations. With your funnel set up, it's time to automate your email follow-ups. Head over to the automation section, where you can create an automated sequence of emails that gets triggered as soon as someone signs up through your funnel. You can start with a welcome email, then schedule follow-ups over the next few days to keep your leads engaged. Just write the emails, add them to the sequence, and set the timing. It's all copy and paste simple, so you don't need any coding skills. And remember, if you comment below, I'll give you access to my exact setup, so you'll have everything you need to get started with firstaitool.com/go today. Just go to firstaitool.com/go to see why this is the ultimate tool for building funnels and automating follow-ups. All right, let's jump into tool number 2, AIschedulingtool.com. This is my go-to for managing all my social media content in one place. You can check it out and sign up at AIschedulingtool.com to streamline your content scheduling and analytics with ease. Here's how AIschedulingtool.com works and how you can set up a simple social media management workflow. Setting up your content calendar. Once inside, start by connecting your social media accounts like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn. This way, you can manage all your platforms in a single dashboard. Then, set up your content calendar by scheduling posts in advance. AIschedulingtool.com makes it easy to drag and drop posts, adjust the timing, and preview how they'll look across different platforms. Automated social engagement, AIschedulingtool.com, also lets you automate replies and manage your social inbox so you can stay engaged with followers without getting overwhelmed. You can create message templates, automate responses, and keep your community interactions organized and consistent. This helps save time while ensuring you're always responsive to your audience. Performance tracking. One of the best features is the Analytics dashboard, where you can monitor the performance of your posts, track engagement metrics, see which content resonates most with your audience, and adjust your strategy accordingly. So, if you're serious about optimizing your social media presence, head over to AIschedulingtool.com. And don't forget, if you comment below, I'll give you exclusive access to a guide I use with AIschedulingtool.com to automate and grow my social media accounts efficiently. Now on to tool number 3, VAHiring.com. This tool is essential for finding and hiring talented virtual assistants and freelancers, especially if you want to scale up without handling every task yourself. You can sign up at VAHiring.com and start building a team quickly. Here's how VAHiring.com works and how to set up your first hiring automation. Posting job listings. After signing up, you can create job posts tailored to specific skills like social media management, content creation, or customer support. This tool allows you to target candidates from a large pool of qualified freelancers, helping you find people who match your requirements. Automating candidate screening. With VAHiring.com, you can set up automation to filter candidates based on specific skills, experience, and even test tasks. This ensures that only the best candidates reach your inbox, saving you hours of manual screening. Organizing your new team. Once you've selected your team members, vahiring.com offers tools to track tasks, monitor productivity, and communicate directly through the platform, streamlining the onboarding process. If you're ready to level up your team without the hassle, go to vahiring.com to get started. Comment below to get exclusive access to a complete hiring guide I use to build and automate my remote team. Moving on to tool number 4, bestwebcontact.com. This tool is essential for high-impact outreach, allowing you to connect with businesses and potential clients by sending custom messages directly through their website contact forms. Here's how bestwebcontact.com works and how to set up your first outreach campaign. Choosing your target audience. Begin by specifying the types of businesses or sectors you want to reach. Bestwebcontact.com enables you to filter by industry, region, or even keywords, helping you target precisely the businesses you want. Crafting a custom message. Draft an engaging, personalized message. The tool supports template creation and lets you add variables like business names to make each message feel unique and tailored to the recipient. Automating the outreach. Once your message is ready, bestwebcontact.com automates the process by submitting your message to the contact forms of thousands of targeted websites. This saves you hours of manual work and vastly improves your reach. Tracking and analyzing results. Bestwebcontact.com also provides tracking, so you can see how many responses you're getting and analyze your outreach performance directly within the platform. Using bestwebcontact.com is a game changer for scaling outreach and connecting with potential clients. If you're looking to streamline your client acquisition, definitely consider giving it a try. Drop a comment below if you'd like my exact message template. Let's dive into Tool 5, Shinefy, which you can access at shinefy.com. Shinefy is my go-to tool for optimizing video content to stand out on search engines and capture audience attention. It's designed to streamline video SEO, helping videos rank higher on platforms like Google and YouTube without requiring advanced technical skills. With Shinefy's AI-driven suggestions for keywords, tags, and descriptions, it makes video optimization easy, so each video can reach its maximum audience and drive real engagement. Here's how the AI video functionality in Shinefy works. AI-powered video creation. Shinefy's AI can take text content, like a blog post or product description, and turn it into a visually appealing video. This tool helps you quickly generate videos for content marketing, social media, or even ad campaigns, all without needing video editing skills. Auto-optimized video elements. Shinefy optimizes your videos automatically by adding captions, intros, and outros. It ensures your message is clear and engaging, especially on social platforms where people often watch videos with the sound off. The AI also suggests high-performing keywords and calls to action, CTAs, that maximize video reach and engagement. Video SEO optimization. Shinefy's AI optimizes your video titles, descriptions, and tags with the right keywords for better discoverability on search engines and video platforms. This increases the likelihood of your videos being seen by a wider audience, driving more traffic and engagement. Performance analytics. Track your video's performance across platforms with Shinefy's analytics tools. It shows metrics like views, engagement rates, and conversion stats, so you know what's working and where to adjust for even better results. With Shinefy's AI video capabilities, I'm able to repurpose content quickly and extend my reach on platforms like YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. This feature is perfect for anyone looking to make an impact with video content without needing advanced editing skills. And remember, you'll get access to these tools when you join the program by commenting below. Alright, moving to tool number 6, CapCut. CapCut is an incredibly versatile video editing app that I use to create engaging, high-quality content. It's perfect for editing video ads, social media posts, or even longer video tutorials to draw in viewers and keep them engaged. Here's a quick breakdown of how CapCut works and how you can set up a simple, professional edit. Import your footage. Start by importing your video clips directly from your device. CapCut makes it easy to trim and arrange clips in the timeline, so you can create seamless transitions and structure your video effortlessly. Add text, transitions, and effects. With CapCut's effects library, you can add text overlays, transitions, and even green screen effects to give your videos a professional touch. These tools are intuitive, so you don't need any editing experience to make visually impressive content. Optimize for social platforms. CapCut offers easy export settings, optimized for various platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or TikTok. You can even adjust your video's aspect ratio to fit each platform perfectly. Enhance audio with music or voiceover. CapCut lets you add background music or record voiceovers directly in the app, making it easy to personalize your video's sound. Export and share. Once your video is polished, export it in high resolution and upload it directly to your platform of choice. With CapCut, you have everything you need to produce high-quality videos that grab attention. Perfect for promoting content or products. Comment below if you'd like to learn more about my CapCut settings and get exclusive tips for creating professional-looking videos quickly. Tool number 7. Phantom Buster. Phantom Buster is a versatile tool that automates repetitive tasks, making data extraction, lead generation, and social media engagement easier than ever. With its range of pre-built automations called Phantoms, you can set up workflows to gather data or interact with platforms like LinkedIn, Instagram, and Twitter. Here's a quick setup guide. Choose your Phantom. Start by selecting the Phantom that matches your goal, like LinkedIn profile scraping or Twitter autofollow. Configure settings. Customize parameters such as frequency, target profiles, and filters to fine-tune your automation. Connect with APIs. Link your social media accounts or API keys for personalized, account-specific interactions. Run and schedule. Run the Phantom manually or schedule it to work automatically, gathering or engaging on your behalf even when you're offline. Phantom Buster's simplicity makes it a great way to automate tasks that can take hours to complete manually, freeing you up to focus on higher-level strategy. Tool number 8. Midjourney. Midjourney is an AI-powered image generation tool that allows you to create stunning visuals just by typing in prompts. It's an incredible tool for anyone looking to produce high-quality graphics without needing traditional design skills. Here's how to get started with Midjourney. Access via Discord. Midjourney operates within Discord, so you'll need a Discord account to use it. After joining the Midjourney Discord server, you'll be able to start generating images. Use prompt commands. To create an image, simply type /imagine, followed by a description of the visual you want. For example, futuristic cityscape with neon lights, or AI robot in a high-tech lab. Customize. Outputs. Midjourney will produce several variations based on your prompt. You can upscale your favorites or request new versions with additional refinements. Download and use. Once you're satisfied with your image, you can download it directly from Discord and start using it in your projects, whether for social media posts, ad campaigns, or blog visuals. Midjourney is especially useful for creating unique and captivating visuals that enhance your content, boost engagement, and help your brand stand out. Tool 9. 11 Labs. Next, we have 11 Labs. 11 Labs is an advanced AI text-to-speech tool that transforms written text into natural, human-like speech. It's perfect for creating voiceovers, audiobooks, or even podcast episodes without needing a professional recording setup. Here's how you can use 11 Labs. Sign up and access the tool. Head over to 11 Labs, create an account, and explore the various voice options they offer. Text-to-speech conversion. Input your text, choose a voice style that fits your brand, and adjust the voice parameters, such as tone and speed, to match the desired feel of your audio content. Preview and download. Listen to a preview, make any necessary adjustments, and download the final audio file in formats ready for various platforms, including video editing software and podcast applications. 11 Labs is incredibly useful for anyone looking to add high-quality narration to their content without needing a voiceover artist. It's a great way to save time, keep costs down, and produce professional-sounding audio for your projects. Tool 10. Online Jobs. PH Online Jobs PH is a top platform I use for finding talented virtual assistants, particularly from the Philippines. It's perfect if you're looking to build a remote team affordably while still accessing a skilled and reliable workforce. Here's how it works. Create a job listing. Start by posting a detailed job listing describing the role, responsibilities, and any specific skills required. Online Jobs PH gives you access to a wide pool of skilled applicants. Screen and shortlist. You can review applicants' profiles, past experience, and skill sets. Online Jobs PH also allows you to conduct background checks and skill assessments for a more efficient screening process. Hiring and managing. Once you've selected a candidate, Online Jobs PH provides resources for onboarding and managing your remote team, including tools for tracking hours and performance. Online Jobs PH is ideal for business owners, content creators, and entrepreneurs seeking dependable, skilled remote assistance to help with tasks like content creation, social media management, customer support, and more, all while staying cost-effective.